Hey YouTube, let's play this new Big Thief song called No Reason. So that's both parts of the songs. It's got a verse and a chorus. Oh, it does have a bridge too. So the intro and the verse is just playing like on the top four strings. We got B and E, high E at the third fret, up from the capo. Capo's on the second fret. So put that open. Finger and place it on the G string at the second fret. Leave these two on the third. So that's a 1. That's the second part. And then the third part is you take like an A minor shape, but play it at the third fret. And you can play the high E and there's that ringing open sound. And then goes to a C chord, just a regular old C chord. And then when at the end of the verse it goes to D, and that's how it translates. There's no reason. I think the lyrics begin on D. To believe. C. Walk down to B. Over the C, A minor 7. Then it stays on another beat on the A minor 7. And then it goes back to the C. B over C, D. And that can repeat. There is a bridge that is, so the bridge occurs about 3 minutes into the song. F, with a simple F to C. And then it goes back to the chorus. Okay. Thanks for watching. Have fun playing that.